gathered here for case study discussion on memories. And we all know the major function of memories. It is capable of storing a data, intermediate data, and it is capable of storing the instructions as well. And we are going to consider a scenario, memories in smart home security systems. So we all know the major classifications of memories, right? It's a RAM and ROM. So RAM is a random access memory and ROM is a read-only memory. RAM is a volatile memory. So when the power is off, whatever data we are working over there will get erased. Whereas this ROM is a read-only memory. It is capable of storing the data permanently. RAM and ROM has its own pros and cons. So RAM is one, here it is very fast. So the CPU can access the data very fast and when the data is being stored in the RAM. But it has its own con. It is more expensive when compared to the ROM. So ROM on other side, it is a non-volatile. So it is capable of storing the data permanently. The data can be read. It can't be altered in case of ROM. But the major advantage is that the speed is very less, but it has a major advantage. It is cheaper when compared to the RAM. Okay. In addition, we also have as PROM, EPROM, and we have this cache memory and so on. So in today's discussion, we're going to prefer the memory for smart home security systems. So let's start the discussion.
I am going to discuss about key requirements for the memories. The first requirement is permanent working space. Here all the memories which can either be used or processed to produce output. The second is temporary working space. Here we can process outputs by using the input. It stores the memory temporarily till the output is concluded.
I am going to discuss about the various memory types. RAM, ROM and cache memory. These are the major types in the electronics. First I am going to talk about the ROM. It is a read-only memory. It is used in devices to start up bootloader and essential programs. And its advantages is it is a non-volatile. It ensures the booting of the device every time correctly. And the second one is the RAM. It is also called as a random access memory. It is a working memory. It is used by the microcontroller to process the motion data and process the image frames, and it ensures the working of the processor. The third one is the cache memory. It is a it boosts performance. It is located in the processor and its major uses boost the performance of the device. And I talk about the general types of the storage. The storage is also known as in mobiles UFS. It is a universal flash memory, flash storage. The latest version of the UFS is 4.1. It can read and write 10 GB per second. It is extremely fast, and the RAM is also known as LPDDR.
Next, for storing user data, we use EEPROM, which stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. It is used to store user data such as Wi-Fi credentials, preference, and data options. The main advantage of EEPROM is it can be rewritten many times, even without losing the data. It is important because even if the device loses its power, all the data stored it is not erased, so the user does not want to rewrite anything. Then next we use flash memory. Flash memory stores large data such as captured images, short video clips and motion logs. It has high storage capacity and more cost efficient when compared to EEPROM. Which makes it suitable for event-based storage. Flash memory allows the user to save the data locally before uploading it in the cloud. It ensures that no data is lost when the device has no internet.
So everything has some pros and cons and challenges. So I will discuss about the challenges faced in the memories. So like for ROM it's we can store everything, but it's very slow. Like it doesn't have the speed of cache, neither RAM. And if we discuss about RAM it is fast, but like if the power connection is lost, the power supply is lost, all the memory will get vanished in seconds, and we can't restore that memory, restore the data which we have stored in it. Then cache memory is fast, but it holds a lot of storage. It occupies a lot of storage in the process. And then we have EEPROM. EEPROM has its con as, because like if we again and again erase it and rewrite it over it, it will get degraded. Due to that, we everything has a con, and due to that we can use cloud storage. Nowadays is a very new concept, cloud storage. We can access the memory from anywhere, any device and anything. And we can, like, it's provided, but it's not sufficient enough which has been provided with our phones. So we can buy annual subscriptions for it. Rates might differ. Rather than buying the upper variant of the phone for storages, we can use cloud storage.
So we all had a discussion about memories, and we have discussed a case study on memory in smart home security system as well. So by understanding the memory capacity, speed and as well as the cost, we can even design a more reliable and more efficient digital system. So thank you all for your valuable points. Thank you.